Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and this one is a fantastic topic that I don't really talk about that much, but this is the perfect merging of practical stuff that I think is fascinating about real estate, and also something that you should know for your test, okay? So, we're going to read the question. I'm going to give you the answer fairly quickly because it's either you know it or you don't. There's no trickery here. And then we're going to talk about what it is because I think on a practical side, this is a great question. So the question reads as follows: which of the following real estate syndicates requires 100 or more investors? A limited partnership, B, a joint venture, C, a corporation, or D, a real estate investment trust. It is not A, it is not B, and it is not C. This would be one of our REITs, a real estate investment trust. Dude, what the heck is this? So this is a great thing. Look, you guys now you could go on to Robinhood app, you could go on to E-Trade, you could look up REIT stocks, you could buy REIT stocks. Some of them are as low as a couple bucks, like $5, $6. You can get shares in these corporations, and what these corporations do is they take the money that you invest into them. Now, in order for a REIT to exist, has to have 100 or more investors. That is true. Something else about a REIT is that 75% of what it does needs to be in real estate. So it's a real estate centric stock that you'd be purchasing into. Okay. So basically, if you're like, Stu, the real estate market's getting really hot, I want to invest in it, then go check out some of the stocks that are going to be REITs. Take a look at some that have a heavy residential portfolio, heavy commercial portfolio, heavy in agricultural. There's a lot of them, and what's great about them is they pay dividends sometimes monthly, sometimes quarterly, sometimes biannually, whatever the case may be. So for you investing in their company, it's basically like you're able to take whatever little money you have and invest in a company that's going to then pay you back based on the passive income that they get, because actually 95% of their income has to be passive. Now, those are things that you don't really need to know for the real estate exam. You really just need to know that a REIT would require 100 or more investors. This would probably be a common question on REITs if they do give you one. I don't really, not going to bet the house on it that you're going to see this, but this is a perfect example of something that I think you should know more about if you're just getting into real estate in general. This is a great, great thing to know. So, guys, if you like this question, remember, smash that like button, hit subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'm going to see you guys real soon.